Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a character rig in Blender. So first thing, you want to go to Edit, Preferences, and you want to search for Rigify, and you want to apply this add-on. Now you have your human in Blender, and you're gonna click Shift A, Armature, Rigify Meta Rigs, and we're gonna click to Basic and Basic Human. Now we can scale this up like this. We're gonna go to edit mode, so we're gonna click tab and make sure you click this X. So whatever you do on one side, it mirrors on the other, and we just want to align this with our character. Cool. Okay, now we're gonna select everything. We're gonna click Control P and set parent to with automatic weights. Click pose mode. We can basically manipulate our human however we want. And this is basic tutorial on how to make character rig in Blender. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.